Hi, and welcome to the QbDVision homepage tutorial. If you're watching this, then you're most likely just starting your QbDVision journey. We're glad you're here and ready to begin your digital CMC transformation. We've provided tooltips throughout the system, but we think you'll find it very user-friendly and intuitive, and you'll be able to start building out your project as soon as today. By now, your administrator has set up your account and you are logged in. You have landed on the home page, which looks just like this, and has been designed to give you a quick glance at your company's activities and easy access to your projects. Let's review it from top to bottom. The white toolbar across the top houses the QbDVision logo, which you can click on at any point within the system to come back to the home page. It will also display your company's name here where you see mine. You also see the support portal icon and the system level menu icon. We have another tutorial for you on the navigation of the system level menu and how our customer support works, so be sure to watch those. The blue system toolbar will always tell you where you are within QbDVision, either in a project or using a function from the menu. That comes in handy when the system opens a feature as a new tab or simply navigates you to a new page within the same tab. Now, on the home screen itself, we refer to each of these boxes or sections here as a card. This first card is letting you know about any pending record proposals that you are either waiting for or waiting for someone else to approve for you. It also shows you how many pending drafts there are. A high number here means progress. The training card, like all of the cards on this page, is personalized to your login credentials. If your company chooses to utilize the training feature, this card will keep you up to date on any training modules that you need to complete. Next, the alerts card flags important dates within your projects, such as an upcoming supplier audit or perhaps the expiration of one of your APIs. Simply click on it and follow the prompts to see more detail and take any actions that you might need to take. And here we have provided quick links to the individual records that you've most frequently viewed. This gives you a one-click way to get back to where you left off. And the activity column lets you see what all of your team members are working on. The project section here in the center will automatically populate with the 5 most active projects that you're currently working on, who was last in the project, and a summary count of the records in that project. Simply click on the project to open it, or you can click Go to Projects here to see the full list of all the projects that you have access to. Notice in the white bar that I'm on the Projects page. If I go back to our home screen, finally, here across the bottom, we've provided shortcuts to documents, suppliers, and risk management plans. Take a look around our home page and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.